In this video, I'm going to show you a mode within scientific calculator that will help the students to solve quadratic function faster, provided that their teachers do not require them to show the steps to the answer. Let's begin. You press mode or setup, choose number 5, and choose number 3. Now you have the A value, the B value, and the C value. Now look at the form of a quadratic function form. You have the A value with the x square, the B value with the x, and the C value is a number by itself. So this is the form. Look at the example right here. So it's already in that form. So you have 1x squared, or sometimes we put x squared, which means by default is 1 in the front, and minus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. So it looks exactly the same as the quadratic function form. You do not have to do other simplifying to get to the form. So 1 for A value, negative 2 for B value, and negative 14 for C value. Now let's begin. You press 1 for A and press equal. Press negative 2 for B, press equal, and negative 14 for C, press equal. Press equal again. You will have your first answer, which is x1 equal to this number, and you press equal again. You have another answer, x2 equal to negative 2.87. So if you want to go back, you press on and then press AC here. So we go back to the default function. Now let's continue to our example number 2. Now let's work on this number. Now this number, it does not look the same as in function form yet, a quadratic function form yet. It's equal to 0, but it's equal to 22. So you need to simplify more so that it will look exactly like the quadratic function form. So you need to transpose 22 to the left hand side. So let me do the simplify first. You will have x squared plus 3x plus 21. Now when you do the transpose, move 22 to the left hand side, the sign changing. You have 20 minus 22 equal to 0. So you have x squared plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So now it looks the same as quadratic function already. The A square, the A with x square, the B with x, and the C by itself right here. So you have A value right here by default is 1, and then the B value 3, and the C value which is negative 1. Now let's find solution to this problem. So again, A, press 1, equal, B which is 3, press 3, equal, and then C negative 1, press negative, press 1, equal. Equal again, you have your first answer, 0.3, and press equal again, you have the second answer, negative 3.3. You press on, and then you press AC to get to the default function. Let's go furthermore to our third example. Our third example, as you can see, you have the x squared, you have the bx, but the problem is you don't have the c here, and it might be equal to 0. So you're transposing 23 to the left hand side. So you simplify it first. You have 5x squared minus 10x, transpose 23 minus 23, because it's positive. You move to this side, become negative, equal to 0. That's the rule for transposing. You change sign when you move to the other side of the equal sign. Equal sign, yeah. Now you have the A 5, the B negative 10, and the C negative 23. Let's insert into our function. You have A 5 plus 5 equal plus negative 10 equal and plus negative 23 equal. Press equal again. You have your first answer 3.37, and you press another equal, you have negative 1.37. To get back to the default function, you press on, press AC. Now this is our last example with fraction, and again it doesn't equal to 0, so you need to do transposing again. You have 2 over 3x squared minus 4 over 3x. Transposing this number to this side, you will have minus and it's positive. Move to this side, become minus 5 over 6 equal to 0. So we all work in fraction, but did not get panic yet. It's easy. Okay, so our A 2 over 3, our B 4 over 3, or negative 4 over 3, and the C value negative 5 over 6. Let's begin. You have 2, press 2 and press fraction function, and then 3. Press equal, press minus 4 fraction function, 3, press equal, and then press minus 5 fraction function, 6, press equal again. That's your first answer, 5 over 2, equal again to get the second answer, negative 1 over 2. Press on, press AC, will lead you to the default function. If you want to go back to normal function, you press mode, press 1. Here you go, normal function. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.